This is our second lesson under algebra. Let us simplify. The first algebraic expression, 4x squared plus 2x plus 2x squared minus 5x. Now, to simplify this algebraic expression, we are supposed to identify the like terms. Like terms are letters which are exactly the same. Now, if we look at this expression, x squared is exactly the same as this x squared. So these two are like terms because they're exactly the same. Let us put them together. We also have this x is exactly the same as this x. So these are also like terms. Let us also put these together. Now, when we are collecting like terms, we have to ensure that we also get the sign which is in front of the number. So here we have positive 2x. We write it here, positive 2x is the same as this x, and this one has a negative in front. So let us get the whole of this thing together with the sign. Now, like terms can be added and they can also be subtracted. Here we have 4 tomatoes plus 2 tomatoes. We get a total of 6 tomatoes. This side, 2x minus 5x. To simplify this one, we are supposed to follow the rules of integers. 2 has a positive sign, 5 has a negative sign. The signs are different. Whenever the signs are different, it means subtraction. Because we know in mathematics that difference means subtraction. So 2 has a positive, 5 has a negative. These are different. Difference, subtraction. So let us subtract these two. 5 minus 2. We get 3. So we get 3x because we are subtracting 5 tomatoes minus 2 tomatoes. We remain with 3 tomatoes. But the rules of integers, you are supposed to look at the number which is big. Between 5 and 2, which one is big? It's definitely 5. And 5 has a negative sign in front. So the answer will also have a negative. So here, positive 2x minus 5x, the answer is negative 3x. Can we simplify this further? No, because these are not like terms. This is x squared, but this x doesn't have a square. So this x is not the same as this one. We cannot simplify. This is more like saying 6 bananas minus 3 apples. You cannot subtract things which are not the same. So it is impossible. This is our answer. Example 2. Again, let us find the like terms, the letters which are exactly the same. In this algebraic expression, this y is exactly the same as this y. So this and this are like terms. Let us put the like terms together. For y, this y has a positive in front. So collecting the like term together with the sign. Positive y. The remaining like terms, we have this x is exactly the same as this x. So these are like terms. Let us put them together. Collecting this together with the 2 and its sign in front. The remaining term is negative 7x. So together with the sign, negative 7x. Like terms can be added and they can be subtracted. We have 4 pawpaws plus 1 pawpaw. We get a total of 5 pawpaws. Now, we have to understand one thing. In algebra, when we have one thing like this, we definitely know that there's only one y here. So we don't have to put a 1 in front like this. That is unnecessary. But this is okay because this is read as 1y. But if we look at this also, there's only a single y, so this is 1y. So instead of writing 1y, we just write a y without a number in front. Okay? So here, what we have here is 1y. There's a 1 in front, just like what we have here. So 4y plus 1y, we get 5y. Now, we have these terms. 2 has a negative and 7 has a negative. But can we simplify this? Yes, we can. Because these are like terms. X and x exactly the same. Are we going to add or subtract? Let us look at the signs in front. 2 has a negative. 7 has a negative. The signs are the same. Same means addition. Let us add these. 2 plus 7. We get 9. Our answer would be 9x. But if we look at these numbers, they both have a negative. So our answer should be negative 9x. This is our final answer because if we try to look at this expression, 5 has a y, 9 is an x. This y is completely different from this one. They are not like terms. So this cannot be subtracted and it cannot be added. So this is our final answer. Question number 3. First, we have to inspect if these are like terms. We have this x exactly the same as this x. They are like terms. They can be added and they can be subtracted. But respecting the operation, let us look at the rules of integers. 2 has a negative, 7 has a positive. The signs are different. Now, difference means subtraction. Let us subtract the numbers. 7 minus 2, we get a 5. 5x. Then, what sign are we going to put in front? We go back to our expression. We see a number which is larger. So, between 7 and 2, which one is big? It is 7. So, we get a sign from 7. So, our answer will be positive 5x. But even if we remove the positive, it will still be positive because when there's no sign, this is a positive number. So the answer is 5x. Question number 4. We do the same. Let us identify the like terms in this expression. This m is exactly the same as this m. These are like terms. Let us put them together. Negative 12m minus 2m. Don't forget the sign in front of the numbers when you're collecting the like terms. The remaining terms, we have positive 3y. We put this y is exactly the same as this y. minus 4y. Now, we look at the sign in front of the numbers. 12 has a negative. 2 has a negative. The signs are the same. Same means addition. 12 plus 2, we get 14. So this is 14m. But if we look at both numbers, they are negative. So it means that our answer will be negative. Negative 14m. Lastly, we have positive 3y minus 4y. These are like terms, but 3 has a positive, 4 has a negative. The signs are different. Difference means subtraction. Now, 4 minus 3, we get 1. 1. So the answer should be 1y. But 4 is bigger than 3. So we get the sign from 4. Our answer will be negative 1y. Negative 1y. Remember, if you want, you can't put the 1 in front because you know that there's only one thing here. This is the single y. So we can remove the 1. And this is our final answer because m is not the same as y. They are not like terms. So we end here. Our final question for today. Question number 5. We firstly identify the like terms. We have PM. Looking for another PM here. Okay, so we have another PM over here. So this and this, they belong to the same family. These are like terms. Let us put them together. We have this together with the sign in front. Negative 8PM. Now, xy. Do we have any other xy in this expression? Let us try to find xy. Yeah. So here, this is xy. So xy, xy. These are like terms, exactly the same. Let us put them together. Negative 8xy plus 8xy. Like terms can be added and can be subtracted. So here, 7PM minus 8PM. We look at the signs first. 7 has a positive, 8 has a negative. The signs are different. Difference means subtraction. Let us subtract the numbers. 8 minus 7, we get 1. So we should get 1 PM. Our answer will get the sign from the number which is larger. So between 8 and 7, which one is large? It's 8. So the answer should be negative 1 PM. Or we can remove the 1, just writing negative PM. Here, again, these are like terms. They can be added. They can also be subtracted. But let us look at the signs. 8 has a negative. This other 8 has a positive. The signs are different. Difference means subtraction. Let us subtract the numbers. 8 minus 8, we get 0. So we have positive 0xy. But we know that here 0 means nothing. So we can just write this as negative PM minus, whenever you have a 0, you can just remove these terms because they will disappear when we follow the rules of multiplication. So 0xy, meaning there's no xy. So we can just put 0. But when we subtract any number by 0, the answer is that number. For example, 5 minus 0, the answer is 5. 10 minus 0, the the answer is 10. Or 5 plus 0, the answer is 5. It is the same with the letters. If we say A plus 0, the answer is A. D plus 0, the answer is D. Negative PM minus 0, we get negative PM. This is our final answer. Thank you very much for watching, and make sure you do the exercise and send your answers in the comment section.